National press meet, there are a lot of firsts that are associated with this movie, and one such thing being, they had asked the audiences that what would they like to watch after the teaser was out, right?
Correct.
And they were given options. The audiences were given options, and they were, asked to vote in for the love song, which I know is Dhruva Sarja sir's
favorite.
Yeah, that was your favorite option, I know. Trailer 1, the introduction song, or the theatrical trailer. And then what happened?
And 62 lakhs people participated in this voting poll.
Wow.
And 28 lakh 46,000. 28 lakh 46,000 people chose to play the trailer 1. That's why we are here today, actually.
Right. It's 2.8 plus million people who said that we'd like to watch the trailer first before the love song or the introduction, and that's why we are here, right?
True.
Yeah. So shall we just get down to get down with the trailer?
Trailer for sure.
Or do we have something else? Well, you guys have to make some more noise. You guys have to make some. You guys have to do chappade, louder chappade, and we'll play the trailer for you.
And for sure.
And before that, we're going to watch the trailer in Hindi because we are in Mumbai. But let me tell you, the movie is being dubbed in
13 languages. 13 languages.
I'll try and say this without taking a breath. Kannada, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, Arabic, Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, Korean, Russian and English. Chappade, ladies and gentlemen, for this entire team. Wow, that's huge. कुछ बच गया था तो वो भी कर देते, इतने में क्यों रुक गए हैं ना? So,
ठीक है, we'll watch the one and only most awaited trailer. Are you ready, Nitin?
You know why I'm looking at you? I want you to give a nice Kannada introduction to the trailer.
For sure. Okay.
देखिए दिखाओ.
Thank you so much. I'm more than happy once again now. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಇದರ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಇದೀಗ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ? ಶೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.